So, what's up, everybody? How you doing? It's your boy. Welcome to my studio. A little something we put together, just for this right here. Real quick though, I want you to see this. Four bullets, and they sent me 10.
Really, nigga?
It's a COLT 1911. I got this bad boy in the mail from Amazon. I saw it in a video. I thought it was pretty dope, and I just went here and bought one. So, just so I could see. And, I can load like one. The magazine even released, but you can only get like 4 of them bitches in there. And then, it don't shoot far. I mean, the first time I shot it, it barely shot 5 feet. So, this ain't one of them ones if you want to do like I do, chase your grandkids around the house or, through the neighborhood and shooting them with this. And they got Nerf bullets and shit like that that'll wear you out.